Hello again, everyone. It's Monday. Yeah, I'm Mark J. Weather on Instagram and Twitter. It's going to be a rainy and a wet overnight tonight and windy as well. Could see wind gusts of 30 miles per hour. Kind of raw out there. Temps bottoming out in the 60s, so not extremely cold, but a little chilly. Wear those hoodies and take the rain gear staying out late. Tomorrow, we have the threat for an isolated severe storm. More toward the evening and the overnight. Spotty heavy rain showers on and off during the day. Still breezy. Small hail possible with a few storms. 77. Akron. Tonight rainy 62. Tomorrow middle 70s with a few scattered rain showers and thunderstorms. Wednesday 72 with some early rain falling temps during the afternoon. Thursday 68. There's some lower 70s through your weekend. Maybe an isolated shower late on Sunday. Have a great night, everyone.